Hello, we're here in Echo Valley right now and we're gonna try if it responds. If it responds pala sa sinasabi namin. So what's the first word, guys?
Rose!
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go!
Rose!
Dapat short span lang.
Okay.
Like rose.
Okay, sige mo.
1, 2, 3, go!
Rose!
Ayun! Ayun.
Ang tugay na lang man Japon. Ugat na.
Yung hanging coffins are there. Pero malayo siya.
Ugat na.
There.
Second.
Bababa.
Wag na.
Medyo ito yata yung tatalunin namin. Yun, there. There. Okay, so what's the next word?
Ugat. 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 Next word.
1, 2, 3, go.
Ugat!
Yes, meron.
Ugat. Ako na lang mag-echo. Ugat.
Hindi ko na mapagaan ang iban. Ang next na lang. Aba? Where are we next? Ay! Hanging coffin so there, oh. Ay! Hangin ba yun? Hindi!
Pero may ara, ano?
Wild coffin.
Wild.
May wild coffins pa.
Wild coffins eh?
Kitilpan.
Kitilpan.
What's the best one?
Pwedeng magpa-reserve din.
Ay, pa-reserve na to. Pwede daw magpa-reserve for hanging coffins. So, here it's free. Burial is free. So, maybe we could transfer here and die here. So, dapat dari ka mag-propose. Christy, I love you! Ay, mali. Christy! Christy! Meron. Kaso, short span.